power on. So select English version. So change cutting angle. First, first change cutting angle. So for example, let's set left saw 90 degree, right saw 90 degree. Then go to home, check home position. Now first work to check home position whether it is correct or not. So cut one piece.
等会儿，我给演示一下回参啊。点这个回参。
Home, press home to home position. Then cut one piece to check the figure, the home position.
这两个值必须一致的时候。
So the two figure should be same, 373.7.
然后机头选择双。
Then you select the cutting head, cutting saw angle, the double or left right. Now select double.
方了。
Then press, hold the profile.
启动电机。
Then start, motor start. Then press. Then see. Then stop. Stop the motor. So now this is home length. So you measure this length. That is 373. So the use tape, the length should be same as the home position. If not same, you should change this setting. You can put the actual figure. Okay, then press. Now we want cut one profile. Now the machine can work. You can cut any length. For example, you cut 750 length profile.
选择这一个组。
First cutting length.
定位。
Then position. This position, the machine go to the length, cutting length. Then the press, the motor start. Motor start. Then let's see. For first piece, you measure the length. Use tape, measure the length. That is 750. So if this is correct. If not correct, you can go to the setting, parameter setting. 这个你输一下这个，一会儿进入补正画面。Go to the setting. You put the code. This is code number. Then this menu is displayed parameter. So this is parameter setting. If this length is 1 meter less, you end this and one more. If 2 less, you end 2 more. So in each area you make compensation. So after finish compensation, normally this side is correct, do not change. This is fixed, do not change. You can only change here. Normally not change also. Then go to the cutting. You press again, then this disappear. Then if the cutting height, you put this cutting height. If you cut 45 degree, this 45. Then 45 degree, you put the profile height. So